Imagine a dish that's light, flavorful, and incredibly satisfying. That's what these simple Chinese noodles are all about. A staple in Chinese cuisine, these noodles are loved not just for their delightful taste, but also for their simplicity. They are easy to prepare and require ingredients that are readily available, making them a favorite among home cooks and professional chefs alike. Firstly, let's start with the star of the dish, 200 grams of Chinese noodles. These can be found in most Asian grocery stores. To accompany the noodles, we will need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. These ingredients form the base of our dish, infusing the noodles with a rich, aromatic flavor. Next, we have 1 medium-sized carrot, thinly sliced, and 1 hot green pepper, also thinly sliced. These add a touch of color and a hint of spice to our dish, making it both visually appealing and tantalizing to the palate. For the sauces, we'll be using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of black bean sauce. The soy sauce lends a savory umami flavor, while the optional black bean sauce adds a depth of taste that's distinctly Asian. As for the seasonings, we'll need salt and black pepper adjusted according to taste. These basic seasonings enhance the flavors of the ingredients and tie everything together. Lastly, for garnishing, we have spring onions, finely chopped. This adds a fresh, vibrant touch to the dish, making it even more appetizing. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we're just a couple of steps away from a plate of delicious, simple Chinese noodles. But before we dive into the cooking process, remember, the beauty of this dish lies in its simplicity. So let's embrace the art of minimalism as we bring this beloved Chinese dish to our own kitchen. With all the ingredients ready, you're just a few steps away from a delicious plate of Chinese noodles. Cooking these noodles is a breeze. It's all about timing and the right amount of heat. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to bring a large pot of water to a boil. Once it's bubbling away, add in your Chinese noodles. You're going to let them bubble away for about 3 to 5 minutes. You want them to be soft, but not too soft. It's a delicate balance, really. Once they've hit that perfect texture, drain them and give them a good rinse under cold water. This isn't just to cool them down. It actually stops the cooking process and helps to prevent them from sticking together. Now, while your noodles are chilling out, heat up a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pan or wok over medium heat. Into this, toss in your minced garlic and chopped onions. You'll want to sauté these until they're golden and crispy. The aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Next up, add in your thinly sliced carrots, and if you're feeling a little adventurous, a bit of hot pepper. Give these a good stir, sautéing for about 2 to 3 minutes. The aim is to get your vegetables tender, but not mushy. Once your vegetables are just right, it's time to bring the noodles back into the mix. Toss them into the pan along with some soy sauce and black bean sauce. Stir everything together, making sure that every strand of noodle gets coated in that flavorful sauce. Now this is where you get to put your own spin on things. Season your noodles with salt and black pepper to your liking. Some like it spicy, some like it a bit more on the mellow side. It's all up to you. And just like that, you've cooked up a mouth-watering plate of Chinese noodles. But we're not done yet. Now comes the best part, serving up your delicious creation. With the aroma of the stir-fried noodles wafting through the air, it's time to plate up your masterpiece. Transfer the noodles from the pan to a serving dish with a pair of tongs or a large spoon. Be sure to capture all the flavorsome bits at the bottom of the pan. Now, a classic garnish for Chinese noodles is chopped spring onions. Sprinkle them on top for a burst of fresh oniony flavor that complements the savory noodles wonderfully. Got a taste for customization? Feel free to add your personal touch. You could toss in some cooked chicken, beef, or tofu for added protein. Or you could layer in additional veggies like bell peppers or mushrooms for a healthful crunch. There's really no limit to how you can make this dish your own. And there you have it, a simple, delicious plate of Chinese noodles. Bon appétit!